Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video today I am going to discuss about what is Active Directory Tombstone and what is Tombstone lifetime, how we can change the Tombstone lifetime or how we can extend the Tombstone lifetime. Okay, so I'll discuss about this and I will let you know step by step how you can change the Tombstone lifetime. But before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel IT Parivar, just to motivate me, just to support me, please subscribe and click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the new videos notification. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller now. So this is my domain controller. I'm going to open server manager here. So before going to show you how we can change the Tombstone lifetime, I want to let you know about the Tombstone. What is Tombstone? So basically Tombstone is a container which stores Active Directory deleted object like user, computer, groups. So whenever you will delete AD object, it's not physically removed from the Active Directory or not removed immediately from Active Directory. So suppose if you have deleted any AD object and later on, after a few days, if you want to restore that, so you can restore, but Tombstone lifetime should not be completed. So basically Tombstone lifetime is a duration, and once that duration will be completed, after deleting the object, you will not be able to restore deleted object. Only you can restore deleted object if Tombstone lifetime is not completed, which is by default 180 days. Means if you are going to delete any user or computer from Active Directory like this or this group or any user, and if you want to recover that or if you want to restore that user account or deleted AD object, so you can only restore that if Tombstone lifetime is not completed. Okay, so by default Tombstone lifetime is 180 days. So if you will delete any object and if you want to restore, within 180 days only you can restore. If 180 days will be completed, you will not be able to restore the deleted object from the Active Directory recycle bin. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you what is Tombstone and what is Tombstone lifetime. Okay, now I am going to show you how you can change the Tombstone lifetime duration. So you need to open the server manager on your domain controller, go to tools and click on adsiedit. Okay, let me show you from the scratch. Let me remove this. Let me close it again. So tools, and I'm going to click again adsiedit. If you have not connected, then you will get this window. Right click on this, connect to, and select this, select configuration. Okay, and say okay. Then expand this configuration, select and expand CN is equal to configuration, select CN is equal to services, expand this, and then select CN is equal to Windows NT, expand this and select this CN is equal to directory services, and right click on this, go to properties, click on any attribute and press T button on your laptop, computer or server. Okay, if you have physically logged into the server, just press T, or remotely, whatever. So just press T button. Once you press T, or if you are not going to press, you have to scroll down and then select it. So you can see here Tombstone lifetime. Tombstone lifetime is set to 180 days, which is by default for 2022 server, 2012, 2016, 19, and even for 2008. Okay, so this is by default duration of Tombstone lifetime. If you want to change it, you can just double click on this or just select and click to edit. If you want to change it like for 365 days, if you want like if you delete any object that should be recoverable in a year or in within 365 days, okay, so you can change it like this. But if it is not really required, do not change it, just keep it by default, okay, like this, and apply. Okay, so in this way you can change your Tombstone lifetime duration for your Active Directory domain environment. Okay, so guys, I hope it is clear to you now how you can change the Tombstone lifetime and what is Tombstone in Active Directory. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I'll request you to please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.